That's the dreaded Dongcha, the sewer truck. There's still sewers instead of flushing toilets in some areas in the old parts of Korea, like this one here. This one really, really stinks. The kids walk by and they cover their mouths. These guys are like in a hurry because there's so many people waiting in this tight alley to get by. So one house is done. Bye-bye. These are the cars in the narrow alley that are waiting to get by. You can see in these old places like this, they don't have, some of them don't have toilets like in my place. Anyhow, it's a beautiful day. I just woke up, I'm having a cup of coffee. Yeah, my hair is still too short. Yeah, it's the 8th of January. So that's a little story on the sewer system in the rural old neighborhoods of Seoul, Korea. Have a wonderful day. It's actually looking warmer in my house.